Okay, here we are. I've worked through my yoke instructions, and you can just start to see the beginning of a cardigan here, I think, with the back neck, and here are the fronts that will make our button band along. And it's time to divide for the body and sleeves. So our first instruction is to knit to the marker, the first marker. I've worked to the first marker and I removed the marker. I've cast on the number of stitches needed for my underarm, and what I wanted to show you is I'm going to put these sleeve stitches on hold so that I will knit them after I've finished the body. I have a little device here which I thought you might enjoy seeing. This is a Scooby-Doo or a Scooby. It's just a little bit of plastic that children use to make bracelets and that kind of thing. And I am going to work it onto the tip of my needle. Make sure it's on there nice and tight and won't just come off. Just pull a little bit, make sure it's on there, and then I'm just going to slide these stitches off and onto my Scooby so that they are safe and sound, ready for when I want to knit the sleeves. And I just basically tie a little knot super loose in the end here so that they are not going to go anywhere. And look at that, how easy and quick was that? Other options for this are to thread a dull needle and use some waste yarn and simply thread these live stitches onto that waste yarn. Do the same thing, tie a really loose knot that you can undo later and they'll be safe and sound as well. And then you're ready to go on, and we'll knit across the back stitches. Again, we get to the marker, cast on a number of stitches for your underarm, put the next set of sleeve stitches on hold and work across the front, and you're all ready to go. I will do that and join you as soon as I have something to show you. Okay, here we are. We have separated the sleeves from the body. Go ahead, work the body, and I will see you again when you've finished that and we're ready to pick up for the sleeves and work the sleeves. All right, happy knitting.